Today, we are going to look at the 2020 Acura MDX super handling all-wheel drive with the technology package. The MDX comes with a powerful 3.5-liter V6 engine with an excellent 26 miles per gallon on the highway. All MDX models come very well equipped with features such as dual-eye LED headlights, AcuraWatch Suite of Safety features, which include Collision Mitigation Braking System, Lane Keeping Assist, Road Departure Warning, and Adaptive Cruise Control. With the technology package like this one, you will also receive blind spot monitor, rear cross-traffic monitor, and remote engine start. The MDX is also available with a sportier A-Spec package or the top-of-the-line Advanced package. As the tailgate opens, you can see the third row seats are folded flat into the floor and offers an expansive cargo area. Inside, all MDX models are equipped with leather seats, power adjustable steering wheel, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and plenty of USB ports to keep your devices plugged in on the go. The technology package includes the Acura ELS Studio Premium Sound System and navigation. This MDX has a second row bench seat and seats a total of 7 passengers. The MDX is also available with second row captain's chairs, which seat 6 passengers. With the one-touch smart slide button, access to the third row couldn't be any easier. Thanks for watching this video about the MDX. Should you have any questions, please let us know.